In this video, we are going to see if you see this kind of error, Claude is experiencing high demand, please try again in a moment, check the status, Anthropic for updates, what you can do to resolve that. First of all, just consider that your internet is connected properly, and if your internet is connected properly, you need to check the status online. So if it is a status error like this, elevated errors for multiple models, so if you're using, let's say it in Excel or any other connectors, you might face this error. As you can see here, partial outage is clearly mentioned here with Claude AI. So Claude Code is also experiencing partial outage, no downtime recorded. Okay, so this is all about it. You can check different status and for how much time it is the power outage or partial outage. So you just have to wait for some time, or you can also subscribe for the updates so that you can get the notification whenever it is available back. So nothing to worry about. Also, if the power outage is gone and you're still experiencing the error, just try to close the application and then reopen that. Just like this, open up Claude again. And after that, it should work if the power outage is back. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.